From the opening screen, simply click on Sales Order Details, and in the new screen that opens up, click on the order that you're interested in, and in the lower right hand corner, look for a column labeled Line Progress 1 Report. That shows you the status of every line on every order. On this particular order, the one and only line shows us that it's on a validation hold. Someone in-house needs to review the SH special handling requirements. On a different order, you might find that the art is ready for art production, meaning that the order is moving into the art department and it is in someone's queue waiting to be produced. Eventually, your order will make it through the art department to the production floor. Unfortunately, sometimes you'll see this status indicating that we planned the production, but the inventory we needed was on order, not yet received. Someday, the order will make it through the production line and onto the truck, at which point the Line Progress 1 report column will tell you that the order is completed, the line has been invoiced, and you finally made some money off the order. And by the way, if you'd like a more detailed list of these status descriptions, it is available, and it looks like this. Let us know if you'd like a copy.